Hi Susanna and Carl. Thanks for joining me today to discuss the ideas for your Wattlegrove residence. I've refined the designs from the feedback you gave at our last meeting and come up with a final concept which I hope you will love. Before we get into the final designs, I'll just run through your brief and requirements for the project. As we discussed originally, the project has been split up into the two stages, one being the guest bedroom, bathroom and laundry, and the second being the open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Overall room designs have been inspired by the clean, functional lines of the mid-century style, softened with the use of colour and patterns, and given a bit of a modern edge. I've tried to connect each room back to your beautiful garden, and you will notice a repetition of timber detail featuring in each room, giving a lovely natural look, but which is also another nod to the mid-century era. Another important part of your brief was the functionality of the design and its ability to adapt to your future needs and life changes. I've tried with all selections to make them practical, easy to use and maintain, high quality as well as attractive. Where possible, environmentally friendly and sustainable options have been chosen. Okay, let's have a look at the guest bedroom first. I wanted this room to be a calming, restful space for the carer to come back to, so I've gone with a soft, natural colour palette. The walls are painted a muted sage green, which you can see over here to the right, which echoes the garden outside and complements the timber veneer cabinetry used on the built-in wardrobes. The furniture selections have been kept minimal to allow for maximum space when moving around the room, and also to allow a clear view out to the garden from the door. The large sliding door and window have sheer white curtains to allow for privacy when needed, and also navy block-out curtains to create a dark sleeping environment. Furniture pieces of the double bed, see here the bed head, which is fully upholstered in a muted blue fabric and dressed in white and grey linen. I've included a throw on there, seen here, to add a bit of contrast and to use when the weather gets a bit cooler. There's also a timber buffet and side table, which both offer really good storage, and along with the wardrobes will help make the room really easy to keep clean and tidy. I've kept the lighting quite simple with white metal downlights and a lamp next to the bed for a bit of task lighting. The floor is carpeted, which will help reduce noise and give a cosy feel to the room. It also eliminates the need for rugs, which can be a tripping hazard in the small space. The carpet is a rib design. I've put a little sample up here just so you can see. And it's actually made from goat hair, which is a byproduct of the cashmere industry and would otherwise have gone to waste. I really love this product. It's hard wearing and easy to keep clean, and it also acts as a natural air filter, creating a really lovely sleeping and living environment. The dappled grey colour is actually the natural colour of the goat hair, so no dyes are needed in the manufacturing process. Tretford, the company who make the carpet, have really strong environmental values and do a lot of great work with Mongolian farmers and communities who breed the goats. Opposite the bed is a small wall-mounted television, which can also double as a piece of artwork when not in use. And there's a great colourful abstract piece which hangs above the bed, shown here, which is a bit of a play on the mid-century style of colour and patterns. Okay, moving on to the bathroom and laundry. I've carried the green from the bedroom into these rooms through the subway tile, which I've used along with the same version in white on the walls. The tiles have a lovely handmade look and a gloss finish. They're easy to keep clean, and they also will bounce the light around the small room. On the floor is a terrazzo look rectified porcelain tile. The tile is non-slip, and being rectified allows for a very fine grout line, giving an almost seamless look and making it much easier to keep clean. The vanity is Australian made and designed by Zuster, and I think has a great mid-century look in the ribbed timber. Just put a picture of it here. The large handle is easy to grip, and the Corian solid surface on top is easy to maintain and keep clean. I've gone for mixer handles for the tapper and shower, and these are easy to handle, especially with wet hands. The laundry, which isn't shown, uses the same tiles and finishes as the bathroom, but also includes these large pull handles for the cabinetry. I've got a picture of them here. Once again, being quite large, they're easy to grip and open. Now into stage 2. This is the living dining furniture. The colours I've chosen once again are muted and have been taken from your piece of artwork, the tower, which hangs as a feature on the eastern wall above some custom cabinetry, and there's just an elevation shown here how that would all work. I've kept the furniture layout open to allow for easy movement and a clear thoroughfare along the large windows and sliding doors, giving a clear view and highlighting the garden. The living room furniture is angled to both take in the view outside, but also plenty of seating encourages conversation and family time, and also easy viewing to the TV for your movie nights. A large low-profile leaf pattern rug zones off the area and ties the living room together. There's also a vintage mid-century planter in the corner to bring a bit of the outside in. For the dining area, I've selected a large round 8-seater timber table, seen over here. I think round tables are great for group dinners as they allow everyone to be part of the conversation. The circle shape also adds a bit of visual interest, and I've carried that through in the coffee table and side table, which is in the living area. The accompanying chairs are a streamlined, simple mid-century style design and feature arms, which makes getting in and out of them a little bit easier. Moving on to the kitchen, you'll see similar surfaces used to those in the bathroom and laundry. Timber veneer cabinetry is combined with white drawers and the Corian solid surface bench top, which has an integrated sink moulded into it, making it very easy to clean as there are no surface joins. Once again, those green subway tiles feature as a splashback and also under the island bench to create a bit of contrast. Timber flooring runs all the way through the stage 2 area. I'll just flick back to the floor plan so you can see how that goes. There's a sample of it here. The timber uses light coloured oak grown in sustainable forests. It has a natural oiled finish which is VOC free. They use natural adhesives and it's also a non-slip surface. The timber flooring gives a lovely natural light and neutral background to the area. And that brings me to the end of the presentation. I look forward to hearing your feedback and moving ahead with the project. Thank you. Bye.